Hey, so did you just get your first drill? And sometimes you see this drill chuck right here, it's a bit tight for you to loosen the drill bit. So let me tell you a drill hack that you could do. Right, after you have placed the batteries, right, you just hold on to the chuck like this, and then when you press, it actually tightens, and you change it anti-clockwise. Hold on to the chuck and just press it, and now it loosens the drill bit. Right, same thing, clockwise, hold on the chuck, and then just now it tightens the drill bit. That is the drill hack for today.